All right, so let's see what we got. Sorry, I opened it without looking at the name. Your neighbor. What? I absolutely positively cannot. Stitch Fix comes with your return packaging and label attached. So if you don't like what it is, you shove everything inside the bag and you call it a day. It comes packaged very nicely, like a little burrito wrap. Ooh, so the first thing we have, I love this already. Oh. So stinking cute. It has like some long sleeves here and then like the little open shoulder action. This is the cutest little blouse ever. Definitely, most definitely keeping this. Hey. Oh my god. This is adorable. I love the color. I love the little style at the front. I love that it has pockets. All four little cat suits and jumpsuits. I love them. Let's see what this is. Okay. Okay, so this is a little different. So for this one, we have tight sleeves there. This like hangs a little bit lower. And then like the shirt like does a little swoop. It's very like bohemian, like hippie-like. I'm not a huge fan of that type of style, but I'm not hating it. I'm obsessed with the color burgundy. I'm loving these colors. Olive, burgundy, black, blue. They're all my favorite colors, so. Black, like I said, black, olive, oh my gosh, I love this. The little sleeves, oh my gosh, sheer sleeves, little lace. Oh my goodness, please cut it out. Then it has a little keyhole in the back. I love the material, it's very light. This is so cute. Oh, I'm dying. I'm keeping all of them this time. She got me. And some jeans. I'm obsessed with ripped jeans, but the smaller the rip, the better in my case, because all of my ripped jeans currently have huge holes in them because I wore them so much that all of this little like threading like popped out. So the smaller the rips, the better for me. I like the little distress at the bottom. The sizing is perfect. The material, let me show you the back pockets. This looks like this will be my pair of jeans and go to. I am gonna keep everything. Like honestly, please, like you killed it, stylist. You killed it. Okay, so we open this. And on the inside of every Stitch Fix, they have a little card and a note from your stylist. So let's see what my stylist said to me. It's my girl, Mary. Hey, Mary. So it says, hey, Alexandria, welcome back to Stitch Fix. How have you been? Are you ready for spring? I promise warm weather is almost here. To get you in the mood, I wanted to send you some fresh and fun pieces for the new season, and I can't wait to see what you think. To start off, try on this Kaylee jumpsuit. I know you'll love the color because green is one of your faves. I said that. Stop. And it's such a fun piece. I know you're a burgundy fan too. Oh, you know me so well, Mary. So I wanted to see what you think of this H&C collection top. The tassels are a cute detail that give this piece some character. This navy blouse has a great pattern and will look great with those jeans and heels. Oh my god. Mary, you read my mind. You need to be my stylist forever. Hopefully you find a couple good pieces in this one. Here's to sunshine and good times. XO Mary. Mary, I need to meet you. You my girl. Like, you just picked out so many cute things. Stop. Oh, personalized to me to a T. I'm always keeping the notes because I love notes. In addition to that, it comes with little suggestions on how to wear your outfits if like you're not really too good at coming up with what to wear things with. Maybe you love one piece but you don't know how to put it together. So it has 2 outfit suggestions for the one piece of clothing. So this is the jeans she sent. They suggest I wear it with a leather jacket, some little cheetah print shoes. So it's cute. So I'm just gonna flip through and show you guys some of this. This is the other shirt. The jumpsuit. And that's just all of them together. Like, how stinking cute. Oh, so in love.